opening snap murmur, mitral stenosis, orange body fluids, rifampicin use, orphan eye nuclei, papillary thyroid carcinoma, PANCA, eosinophilic granulomatosis with polyangiitis, Churg-Strauss syndrome, postcoital bleeding, cervical cancer, red muscle fiber, mitochondrial myopathy, Raffi nucleus, serotonin 5-HT, right angle branching hyphae, mucor, Romanes sign, Chagas disease, trochanthal fibers, pyelocystic astrocytoma, M. spike, multiple myeloma, mushrooms, muscarine poisoning, musty body odor in infants, phenylketonuria, NADPH oxidase deficiency, chronic granulomatous disease, Negri bodies, rabies virus, pigeon droppings, cryptococcus, pregnancy, respiratory alkalosis, PTH related peptide, squamous cell carcinoma of lung, punched out lesion on X-ray, multiple myeloma, puffer fish, tetrodotoxin, lesion in amygdala, Kluver-Bucky syndrome, subdural hematoma, rupture or injury to cortical bridging veins, maze, serial avoided in celiac disease, cavernous sinus thrombosis, spread, ethmoid sinus, Warthin tumor treatment, superficial pancreatectomy, pubertal growth in females, pulsatile gene RH release during sleep, androgen insensitivity syndrome, phenotype may be completely female, vaginal candidiasis risk factor, daptomyelitis, HIV, pregnancy, genital vulval warts, HPV-6, HPV vaccine, both bivalent and quadrivalent, minimum normal sperm count 20 million per ml, polycystic ovarian disease, increased LH by FSH, increased DHEA, commonest constituent of decrease of contraceptive forms, nonoxynol 9, depometroxyprogesterone estate, sparingly used contraceptives, irregular menstrual bleeding, long acting IUCD, Lippes loop, suit, copper T, multilode, most common pure germ cell tumor of ovary, dysgerminoma, death in carcinoma cervix due to uremia, postcoital bleeding, no growth on cervix per speculum, next step pap smear, follicular cyst, functional ovarian cyst, epithelial ovarian tumor, Brenner's tumor, acanthosis nigrans, insulin resistance, gingival hyperpigmentation, adrenal insufficiency MSH, green stick fracture, incomplete fracture, vitamin B12 riboflavin deficiency, B2 cirrhosis, bone metastasis common, prostate cancer, breast cancer, corneal arcus, lipid deposition in cornea, aspergillus fumigatus, acute angle branching hyphae, York sect, endodermal sinus tumor, Schiller duval bodies, asbestos bodies, dumbbell shaped, membranous nephropathy, thick outer basement membrane, endodermal sinus tumor, tumor marker, alpha fetoprotein, uterine prolapse management during pregnancy, vaginal pessary, medial longitudinal fasciculus damage, internuclear ophthalmoplegia, seborrheic keratosis stuck on appearance, crew cut appearance, sickle cell anemia, thalassemia, polycystic kidney disease associated, brain aneurysm, neurofibrillary tangles, Alzheimer's disease, prolix of RBCs, multiple myeloma, Schiller dual bodies, York sac tumor, situs inversus, Carter-Jenner syndrome, negative birefringence, gout, Kirschman spirals, sputum of asthma patient, Rhythma multiforme, HSV, subdural hematoma, crescent-shaped bridging veins along perimeter involvement, epidural hematoma, lens-shaped rupture of medial meningeal artery, apical lung cavitations, tuberculosis, starburst appearance, osteosarcoma, meningioma, thicker than epidural hematoma at meninges, cherry red spot on macula, Niemann-Pick disease, Heberden nodes at DIP, osteoarthritis, Reed-Sternberg cells, Hodgkin lymphoma, lead pipe sign, ulcerative colitis, Lewy body, Parkinson's disease and Lewy body dementia, Kiemelstein, Wilson syndrome, Wilson nodule, diabetic mellitus nephropathy, steeple sign, crop with subglottic narrowing, BPH commonly involved, lobe, median, TURP complication, perforation of bladder, periumbilical pain after 30 minutes, spinal anesthetic, bupivacaine, PCA more than 20 Ng per ml, prostate cancer, prostatic metastasis, obturated nodes mostly involved, metastatic CA prostate, GnRH analog, spontaneous pneumothorax, earlier statement, needle aspiration, pneumothorax due to blunt injury, intercostal drainage, lung abscess common cause, aspiration, cavity formation in bronchogenic carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, pleural mesothelioma associated, asbestosis, AML with worse prognosis, monosomy 7, arsenic used in treatment, acute promyelocytic leukemia, multiple myeloma, lytic bone lesion, hypercalcemia, decreased serum alkaline phosphatase activity, Russell bodies, plasma cells in multiple myeloma, HSP, palpal purpura, no thrombocytopenia, absence of fructose in semen, obstruction to seminal vesicles, acute prostatitis complication, seminal vasculitis, Prenz sign positive, acute epididymitis, placental alkaline phosphatase marker, seminoma, orthopexy in undescended testes till infancy, total thyroidectomy complication, hypocalcemia,